Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today, I am going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for the month of November. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so before I do my unboxing of what I got in my Allure box for the month of November, I just want to welcome everyone to my channel. Welcome to all my veterans, welcome to all my newbies. Welcome all. My name's Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on this channel. I love makeup, as you guys can see behind me. Your girl got a makeup problem, but I'm sure if you're on my channel, you probably do too. So welcome to Makeup Anonymous. Yeah, so I do lots of unboxings, mostly makeup subscription boxes. It's the holiday season, so I'm doing advent calendars. I bought a couple of more advent calendars to unbox for you guys. I love makeup mystery boxes. I mean, your girl just love makeup in general. That's why I just do all of these subscription boxes. I just love it. So if these are things that you guys like to watch, I also do makeup hauls too, by the way. But if these are things you guys like to watch, then I would say consider subscribing to my channel. Become a part of my YouTube family. Alrighty guys, so without further ado, let's see what I got in my box. Alrighty, so this is what the box looks like when you get it. I always wait to see what it looks like on camera. I do not take any sneak peeks. That's what it looks like. We have a little book on the top, and these are the items that I got. Alrighty, so let's see here. Alright, so we got the book. The book, which I always say in every video, I just don't like that, like, the books, like, they talk about, like, why a person likes that item, but everybody's skin is different, everybody is different, so what may work for one person may not work for me. I'd rather just have something that tells me what it does than have what somebody says it does for them. That's just my opinion, though. Alrighty, so the first thing I got in here is a Cure Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizer. Sorry, that was a tongue twister. My skin is oily to combination, so I'm gonna give that away. This is what it looks like. Let's see here. It says, I'm trying to find the price. Is the price here? It says $18.99 for the full size of that. Let's see what else I got. I got a Josephine. Is this a lipstick? Liquid eyeshadow. That's what the box looks like. Let's see here. I love liquid eyeshadows. Ooh. Eye Dazzle. This looks pretty. Let's do a little swatcheroo. So I like the colors. Nice for if you're darker skin, but if you're lighter, you probably won't like this color. But this color is beautiful on my skin tone. Wow, wow, wow. I can't wait to wear this. This is beautiful, 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 beautiful. So I'm very excited for this. Very, very excited for this. It's a brand that I've never heard of. Josephine Eye Dazzle. But maybe one of my new favorites. Alrighty, so let's see what else I got here. Oh, I actually got this already. I think I got this in my Birch box. It's, oh, let me tell you how much that cost, that Eye Dazzle. The Eye Dazzle, it says, was $30. Wow. And then they have, like, a picture of the person who loves the item. But like I said, just because, obviously, this is somebody of color as myself, so that this is a darker shade, so it will look nice on darker skin. But like I said, just because one person likes it doesn't mean everybody's going to like it, because obviously somebody lighter is not going to like a dark shade. Or maybe they will, but I mean, I feel like this just looks better on like more darker skin tone, this color in particular. Just my opinion, though. Anybody can do whatever they want, but just saying. Anyway, so I have this item. I got, like I said, I got this in my Birchbox box. It says Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. So this is what it looks like. This is by the brand Nature Lab. So it feels kind of, let me see if I can show you if it's not sealed. Oh, it is kind of, I'm not going to open it because I'm probably going to give this away because I have one already. You can feel like scrubs in it. It feels like a foam type of thing. And you could exfoliate. So like if you have like dandruff or like let's say you use a lot of product in your hair, such as gel, it helps to get like that buildup out of your hair, and your scalp. So it's very, very good. I use it. Very nice. So, but I have so much stuff that like do I ever really finish a product? I don't think so. So, I'm not gonna have another one if I didn't even finish the first one that I have. So the next thing I got, what is this big box here? This is a Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. That's interesting. Let's see here. I like the bottle. This is what the bottle looks like. It's glass. Let me do a smell test. I don't really like the smell of it. This is a full-size item for $42. So, I don't know if you guys know, but the Allure boxes used to only be $15. They have gone up in price. I want to say they went up to $23. They said it was going to be effective, I think, in December. Originally, it was supposed to start, I think, like in October, but they said they were going to delay it. So, yeah, the prices went up. A lot of people were mad, but they do give full-size item. Like this retails for $42. So, boxes like Birchbox, like it's $15. They don't really have like full-size items in them. So I can see why they wanted to put their prices up, but I do feel like 15 to 23 is like a big jump. So I do get why some people were upset. Alrighty, so the next thing I got here is what is this? I don't know. Is this an essence? Let's see. This is a micro essence by the brand Neogen Dermalogy Real Ferment Micro Essence. This thing is like a tongue twister. Why are they trying me today? Trying to give me a tongue twister. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because I'm probably going to give it away. Looking at everything and I'm not seeing too much makeup. So far we only got one makeup item. What is this? I got a lip mask. Does that classify as a skincare? Yes, kinda, because it's not really makeup. I got a Manakadar Beauty Lip Bliss Moisturizing Lip Mask. This is the box here. I haven't really tried any lip mask. Let's see what it smells like. Smells like cherry, so it looks like you just put it on your lips like so, which is very easy to apply. This is what it looks like. So let's see what this does. It says it's time to give your lips a little spa time. Manakadar Lip Bliss Lip Mask contains emollients to give dry lips a little hydration and vitamin to aid it in appearance of softer, smoother looking lips. Alrighty, more skincare. I got an eye mask. It's an Instant Bright by Skin Medica. That's what it looks like. More skincare. Just when you thought the skincare was done, there's more. I got a Wen. It says the Last Chance Biocellulose Sheet Mask. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items of skincare, 1 item of makeup, 1 item of hair care. So the prices of the box did go up. So I definitely can see why they put it up a little bit. But at the end of the day, it's still stuff that for me personally, I didn't really want, but I am excited to try this eyeshadow. I'm not going to lie. And I am excited to try this serum. So out of everything here, this is what I'm most excited about. Will I use a lip mask? I definitely will use this. I will use an eye brightening mask because, I mean, who doesn't like the eye mask? I will be giving away the moisturizer. I'm going to give this sheet mask away. Because it says quench your skin. My skin is not dry. It says ingredients to help drench your skin in long-lasting moisture. I'm currently not looking for moisture, so I'm going to give this away. I'm going to just give this micro essence away because I have a lot. So the four things that I'm going to keep are these four things. Oh, yeah, I'm going to give the hair exfoliator away because I already have one. That's the only bad thing sometimes about doing a whole bunch of makeup subscription boxes. A lot of the brands, like, I guess they get from the same vendors because you get a lot of repeats. But lucky for me, I have a YouTube channel that I can share these items with you guys. So that's really about it. I'm playing catch up right now. So this was my second video I filmed for the day. I'm on video number 2 today. I have a lot of boxes. I am behind. This week is the last week of November, and I have like at least 6 more boxes to do on this channel. So I'm probably tomorrow gonna have to film 2 more. I'm gonna have to just bang out these boxes. So sorry for my delay with my videos. You guys know I'm always normally consistent, but it's just been crazy at work. It is the holiday season. We have a lot of stuff to prepare for, so I want to make sure I always do a good job at work. This is work too. This is my second job, but this is more my fun job. You know, like this is what I do as like my hobby. But the other one it pays the bill, so I got to make sure everything is done correctly. So I just was focusing on work and making sure everything was good. And on my downtime, this is what I do in my downtime. Some people relax on their downtime. But me, I film because, I mean, I missed you guys. Like, literally every day, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to film. But I was literally so tired. Like, so tired. I'm just like, come home, shower, pass out. So, today is my day off. And guess what I'm doing on my day off? Filming 2 videos for you guys because I love you guys. And then I'm going to try to edit. But yeah, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to my channel and you loved my video, give me a thumbs up. And if you really loved my video and you really liked my content, then consider subscribing and becoming a part of my YouTube family. See you guys all in my next video. Bye.